Forgotten username recovery failed on IG Markets Fix. If you can't remember your IG Markets username, don't panic. Most people get stuck trying random combinations, but here's the key: IG Markets provides a clear recovery process using your registered email and account verification. Step 1. Go to the IG Markets login page and select Forgot Username. Enter your email address linked to the account. IG Markets will send an email containing your username or a secure link to regain access. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather account details such as your full name, recent trades, or linked bank account information. IG Markets support can manually verify your identity and assist you in recovering your username. Step 3. Follow the instructions in the recovery email carefully. Always check spam or junk folders in case the message gets filtered. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact IG Markets support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the automated process didn't work. Their support team will guide you through regaining access safely and efficiently. The important takeaway is that a forgotten IG Markets username doesn't lock you out permanently. With proper verification, you can recover your account quickly and continue trading without disruption. Consider updating your recovery email and enabling extra security measures for peace of mind.